LG Dual Cool can precisely control the temperature. Let's assume you set the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius. The comfort zone temperature is between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. But the problem is that your conventional air conditioner cannot maintain this comfortable temperature because it has to turn the compressor on and off, resulting in temperature fluctuation. LG Dual Inverter Compressor is your solution. It maintains a constant and precise temperature for maximum comfort and energy saving. So just relax without worrying about fluctuating temperatures.